made it to Circus Circus. It's an indoor amusement park, so you're gonna have some small roller coasters and some, I think, 3D rides. We also got some water because it's so hot. I mean, it's like over 100. It feels like over 100 degrees. What else do you know about this place?
It's one of those places that when you ask what do you have to see in Las Vegas, everybody says like you have to go to Circus Circus. You should not miss it.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, we could be taking control. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, we could be taking control. 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 Negative bull, we could be taking control.
The fortune teller. Gonna tell their fortune. You gotta put $10 though. Oh, 10 credits.
We try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, we could be taking control. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, we could be taking control. 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 Negative bull, we could be taking control.
This is the first one.
Thousands of tears later.
Oh my god.
Get me out of
super
here.
scary.
Get me out of here. Oh my god.
You alright?
Oh my god. That's terrible.
That was pretty scary. That was pretty. Oh my god. they're doing it again. Look,
That's so bad. What's up with those kids?
they're crazy. I think one time is enough.
Oh my god.
Are you like dizzy or anything?
Yeah, no, I just closed my eyes the whole thing and I didn't
You
saw
did?
anything.
Oh my,
Yeah.
but you feel it though.
I'm
You can feel it. Where are you going?
I'm shaking.
Do you want to do something like that?
I'm scared.
That's scary? I think this is the only ride you would do right here. Right?
Oh look, okay, it goes super fast up.
I'll see that.
How does it go down?
We got some water rides over there.
It goes down fast.
Really? Perfect.
It drops down.
Perfect.
I don't know.
Alright, let's go. So the next one, she gets scared. We're gonna go on the easiest rides. That one first. Just try that. Then we're gonna work our way up.
Oh my god, it goes inside up there.
Yeah, it does.
It goes up there. This is huge.
Yeah, it's awesome.
You wanted to get the tickets before running.
I don't have to know what it is. I see what it is.
I like the carousel.
No, that's for kids. Oh boy.
I'm on the big one.
Look at that. Great.
Cute.
What up, everyone? We're going on the most baby rides that you can go on right now.
I'm so happy. Look how cute. The one I have is like a dragon, water dragon.
Yeah.
It's a sea creature. And you get a bunny. The bunny's cute.
Yeah, I got a funny hand. Alright.
This is my friend.
We went on some scary rides. I went on El Loco. It was pretty scary. I got a bit of a video there, even though we're not allowed to do that. But yeah, it was pretty scary. But what was the other one called? The Canyon Blaster?
Master.
That one was more scary. I couldn't get a video on that. They said you're not allowed to do it, so I just. But she was like, she almost fainted. It was a lot of fun.
We finally found a machine that is relaxing. Finally.
It is.
Oh my god, my girl starts.
I actually like the boat. The boat was. I actually like that more of this.
We can go on the boat
This is
again.
kind of painful on the ass.
Or we can jump.
Yeah.
Do you want to go jumping?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's go jumping.
I think that's about it. I mean, they charged us full price. I thought we can book like each ride, because somebody downstairs said you could book one ride up for a certain price, but they said that they don't have that deal right now. So it's $40 each person, full day pass for all the rides. Which some rides are not even open, some rides are closed. So that's a ripoff. But it is what it is, because they're not making as much money as they used to right now. So hope you guys had a good time. We're gonna go back downstairs soon, and we're gonna check out if they're gonna have any more acrobat shows. My battery's almost dead, but if I don't take any more videos, this is it. Peace out. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video. Tomorrow we're going to the Grand Canyon.
Hi. Hey, yes. I was in a trance. Bye.
Bye.